Yes, I'm vlogging.
Lord.
Hey, you get to be in one now. Hey, you're in all my vlogs. You're famous now. Are you excited? Okay, good.
Yeah, they're there. Last now. Save it and read.
Made a lot of progress in my room compared to how it has been. I'll put a new calendar there. All my shelves. I still need to put more stuff obviously on shelves once I find them and unpack them. I have these. My mom got me shelves from Walmart since I don't have my ledge anymore. And then my dream catcher. I need to put stuff on that shelf. There's my bed. And then that giraffe picture. And then I have like guitar hooks and then that shelf as well. I'm just scared to put like glass or heavy stuff up there because that's like where I sleep and that's where my head is, and like I'm really scared it'll fall off and kill me or break and shatter on the wood floor. So like it's fine, hopefully they're sturdy. And I mean it didn't break at the last place, but we were on carpet, but nothing ever fell, but they weren't above my head either, so like we'll see. And then I have new curtains. The one in the middle is an old one because like these windows are huge, like I said, so we had to get a new rod, and then they're pink and black and they're like the soundproof, light-proof ones. So my giraffe head is hanging up. It's really creepy. I still have this mess, but I'll deal with that, you know, later. I have these up, and my lamp. This is up, and then I still just have, excuse the tampons, this is where I'm like hanging stuff. And then I also have this shelf which has hooks, which I probably won't be hanging stuff, but if my door's closed I could hang stuff if I can reach it. But I can also put stuff up there, and it's black so it matches my room. Kinda gets messy, but I like it so far. It looks really good. I think with all of this shelf space I should be able to fit most of my stuff. Plus I have, this duck is not staying here, but I have some stuff on my nightstand too that I could fit some stuff. So this is like all I have left to unpack, which is not that much. The box at the bottom's really huge though, and it's full of like a lot of the knickknacks and stuff. And then it's 1, 2, 3, 4 other boxes, so 5 boxes total, but it's just a bunch of random stuff, and a lot of it is gonna go in here, like with all my other random like games and storage stuff. So, and then a lot of it goes in my closet. So, and then my guitar, once I get room, I can take it out of the case and put it back here on its stand, once obviously it's not in the way. This thing wasn't in my last room because I didn't have room for it, so it was just in my closet for storage, but we decided it actually looks kind of cool here, even though it's an extra piece of furniture. I could use it for more display stuff and a lot of storage, decoration, stuff like that, and it actually fits and like looks nice. And I have my name on my door, and of course my beads. So that is the end of today's Vlogmas. Yeah, I basically just did chores in the morning, went to work, didn't vlog or anything. Then I had like a family Christmas dinner thingy mabob to go to, which is what you guys saw. And then me and my mom hung up some shelves and got some stuff unpacked. And now I need to go to sleep because it's late and I work tomorrow as well. So I'm gonna get up kind of early, probably like 7 in the morning. I know, right? Sucks. To finish this. I also have to organize some stuff and then get as much done as possible before I have to be at work at noon. And also get ready for work, pack my bag to go back to my dad's, make my bed, do all that. So I need to give myself enough time. I think I should be able to get through a lot of it if I don't procrastinate and I'm not lazy. And whatever I don't get done, if I don't, then I can just finish next time and just make myself finish. But at least a big chunk of it's done. And since I have shelves, I can actually go through all my stuff and unpack it now that it has a place to go. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and I will see you tomorrow. I'm so excited. It's almost Christmas. Here's my room before I'm leaving. I made my bed, so it obviously looks a lot better. Every time you need to clean your room, start by making your bed, because it just literally makes your room look 10 times cleaner and it just looks nice. So I have my rug. My bed is made. Here's my curtains. And then I still need to put stuff on that shelf. And then those shelves, like I said, I'm really scared because it's right above my head. So let's hope they're sturdy. My dream catcher. Then I have these shelves. And then that so far. Calendar. And I already got a new 2019 giraffe one, so I can replace that. And then this is still kind of a mess, but it's coming together. I can turn on that lamp for more light. I can also turn on this lamp for more light too, plus my windows. So, and I have the ceiling light, so it's literally, it's gonna be way better lighting too. And then I just have my fan plugged in. This looks a lot better. I just have my keys on there, but compared to the big stack that was up there, like I said, I'll move my guitar where it should go once I get these last 5 boxes out of the way. That's it. My nightstand's coming together. I'm charging my Fitbit right now. And then, yeah, so I mean, it's not perfect, but it looks a whole lot better. Then I just have a mirror, my wallflower from Bath & Body Works. My room smells good. And that extension cord is for that over there. My light switch, that's a hook to hang stuff. I can hang stuff up there and put more stuff on that shelf. So, yes, I'm loving it. It's coming together. I have a mirror right there to get ready. And yeah. Hey guys, it is Vlogmas day 21, so it's December 21st. It is Friday now. I had to work today. I guess I'm just combining 2 vlogs now. It's just a trend, so last night's and today's vlog will be put together since I had one go up yesterday. So now we're just doing 2 days at a time, I guess. It's just happening. It's working. Now my dad and I are gonna go to Taco Bell to eat and maybe go to the grocery store for Christmas dinner. I have to wrap a ton of gifts tonight, so I will update you guys when I do all that. Quesarito is literally the best thing at Taco Bell. Now we're at the grocery store. We're getting a Christmas dinner, which is basically like Thanksgiving dinner, except ham instead of turkey. Are we doing corn on the cob? Yeah. Yeah, and corn on the cob. A lot of people here, last minute shopping. And I work tomorrow in the morning, and we're actually having an extra person working because it's going to be ridiculously busy. Like, this is the best Christmas we have had in 4 years, and it's the Saturday right before. And then we're also having an extra person on Sunday, which Sundays are normally slow because last Sunday we doubled the amount of people we normally have and doubled the amount of money we normally had. So it's gonna be crazy. Trying to find a huge ham. He always gets a huge turkey for Thanksgiving. Hey, look, it's Giselle. Working at Hy-Vee, even though she works at Avon. But she's volunteering. Working for free for a fundraiser, but it's cute. You're gonna be in my vlog again. She's gonna be prepared for a 7-hour shift tomorrow. Hey, at least you get paid. Christmas gift. Oh, this is happening. My dad's helping me because I suck at wrapping Christmas gifts. And I have a bag full of presents. And I'm wrapping. And then this is the calendar I got for myself for 2019 for my room with drafts. Painting my nails and watching some YouTube. Always messy when I first paint them, but this is how it's looking. I did red with glitter over the top. I'm about to do another coat of glitter. And they'll look better tomorrow once, you know, the extra polish comes off. So here is the completed nails. They're just Christmassy and sparkly, and yeah, that's about it. So that is it for today's vlog, and yesterday's vlog, I guess. So I will see you guys tomorrow. It'll be the 22nd. We're getting so close to Christmas. I will, continue to vlog a little bit after Christmas, not like daily, but if I have anything interesting going on, I could do like weekly vlogs like I used to, or just vlogs every once in a while and put all the clips together and have like one long vlog, especially if I get a vlog camera for Christmas. I'm going to be so excited to use it that I'm going to want to vlog. Like I said, I work tomorrow, but I'm going to get like really Christmassy and glammed up and do my makeup and stuff and have a long day at work. Like I said, we have extra shifts helping out, so I will see you guys tomorrow.